Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to do push-ups with back pain. In this video, I'll be going over a few specific things that you can do to allow you to do more push-ups and better push-ups, even if you are experiencing back pain. They will lessen the back pain and reduce it when you're doing push-ups. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. The first thing that you should do is try to keep your body as straight as possible. You should try to get a relatively straight line from your head all the way to your ankles. Now what can happen is if your hips go a little bit lower than the other parts of your body when you're doing a push-up, then what that causes is pressure to be on your lower back, which can cause and worsen lower back pain. So I'm going to demonstrate it right now for you. If you have your body in a nice straight line, it's going to look something like this. You can do push-ups without any additional pain on your lower back. But if your hips dip a little bit lower, then that's putting pressure on your lower back, which will actually worsen the back pain that you already have. And the second thing that you can do is just stretch. Now, I would recommend stretching all of your muscles in your body, but at the very minimum, you want to stretch your back. So before you do your push-ups, just do a little twist of your back, stretch your back muscles this way, that way. Just kind of stretch out all of your muscles and anything that is related to your back. Just do a nice easy stretch, because that's going to elongate all of the things that you're using when you're doing the push-ups, which will definitely reduce your back pain. So those first two things will already usually, really reduce or eliminate the back pain when you're doing push-ups and allow you to do more push-ups and better push-ups, even if you are experiencing back pain. Now, the third thing that you should do is keep your abs flexed. Now what happens is when you're doing push-ups and you're not flexing your abs, a lot of the pressure is then sort of translating to your spine and the other parts of your back, and it's sort of twisting and contorting your back into ways that are going to cause you back pain. But if you keep your abs flexed, it's going to keep your spine nice and straight, which is definitely going to allow you to reduce the back pain. So for instance, if I get into the push-up position right now and I keep my abs flexed, I'll do it without my abs flexed, then I'll start flexing my abs and you'll see that my back just gets nice and tight. So if I'm in the push-up position right here and my abs aren't flexed, you can see everything sort of just starts to dip down. But the moment that I flex my abs, all of a sudden everything gets nice and tight and I can do my push-ups easily, just like that. And the best part about it is that it's actually going to work your abs and it's going to strengthen your core muscles, which will allow you to reduce your back pain even further. The fourth thing that you can do is lose some weight. Now, when you have some extra weight in your stomach area, it weighs down your lower back. It pulls your back down towards the ground, which makes it harder to keep that straight line that I was talking about with the first tip in this video. So if you lose a little bit of weight, it's going to relieve some of the pressure and alleviate some of the pressure on your back, which will lessen the amount of back pain that you're experiencing when you're doing the push-ups. Last but not least, the fifth thing that you can do is do knee push-ups. Now, knee push-ups won't work your muscles as much as regular push-ups will because they are eliminating some of the pressure. But if you do knee push-ups and they help eliminate your back pain, then you can just do more of them. So if you're going to do 20 regular push-ups and you're doing knee push-ups instead, you could just do like 100 knee push-ups. So if you want to do knee push-ups, instead of going on your toes with regards to the lower part of your body when you're doing a push-up, you just go on your knees. It's going to look something like this. So you're going to go on your knees like that, you're going to extend your body out like that, and then do push-ups like that. And like I said, the greatest thing about knee push-ups is that they eliminate they reduce the amount of pressure on your back, and you could just do more of them to get the same muscular workout that you would get when you're doing regular push-ups. And that's basically it. In this video, I have told you how to do and shown you how to do push-ups with back pain. If you like the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.